Welcome, my friends, to another episode of Cooking with Zews, the show where I, Zeus, cook things and show them to you. And I'm joined today by my special guest star, former President of the United States, Barack Obama. Put in chicken broth, like that. Here's a life hack. Use scissors to chop your chives. Put some garlic salt in it. And some salt. And pepper. Also, believe it or not, some sweetener, like sugar or agave. Now what you want is what looks like a bag of water used to scoop frogs out of a pond. Once you have this, you shake the off. Oh, fuck. It's everywhere. I broke it. Place the contents in a sealed container. Then shake them vigorously. Then you get your tenderloin. As always, remember to wear protective latex gloves when handling raw poultry. Then you put your turkey in there and you close that bitch up. Next, we're gonna put this in the fridge until like tomorrow. Hey, it's tomorrow. Dang, look at that. That is nice. Next, get a pan. Cover it in foil so you don't have to clean that bitch. Make a bunch of little balls and put them on the tray. Get a bowl. Put some garlic salt in it. And some chili powder. And cayenne pepper. And paprika. I know that looks good as fuck, but you can't eat it yet. Yeah. You need to give it a little rub so that it sticks when you flip it. That's right. You want to make sure that your breasts are getting the same attention on the top and the bottom. So, what you're going to do is, after you season them, take them to the tray and just set them down right on top of your balls. Add some green and yellow onions. And then cook for 90 minutes at 325. Drink some bourbon. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. That is a bomb-ass tenderloin. That's good.
I like turtles.